class. During this week we are going to learn vocabulary related with nature. Hola chicos, durante esta semana vamos a aprender el vocabulario relacionado con la naturaleza. Some of the elements that we can find in nature are trees, a river, hills, lakes, flowers or rocks. Entonces, algunos de los elementos que podemos encontrar en la naturaleza pueden ser árboles, ríos, colinas, lagos, flores o rocas. Can you repeat with me? Tree, river, hill, lake, flowers, rocks. Okay guys, now let's practice a little bit with a matching exercise. So we are going to match the name of the elements in nature with the right picture. So let's start with rocks. What are the rocks? Over here or over here? The rocks are here. Now the lake. Do you remember what is a lake? So the lake, yes, is over here. This is the lake. Now tree. It sounds like the number 3, but it's totally different. So tree, do you remember? It's over here or over here. And tree is here. Now the river. So what is a river? Do you remember? So the river is here. Now the flowers. A very easy one. So the flowers are over here. Finally, we have hills. So hills are over here.
What is it? A lake? Rocks? A tree? It is a tree. What is it? Trees? A flower? A hill? It's a hill. What is it? A flower? A river? A tree? It's a flower. What is it? Rocks? A lake? A river? It's a lake. What is it? A lake? A river? A hill? It's a river. What is it? Rocks? A hill? Flowers? They are rocks. Flower, hill, lake, river, rocks, tree.